Hi everyone, today we're looking at Snapchat, ticker symbol SNAP. Great trade on it, got in at $12.70, sold some at $15 and holding the rest for $16. Now let's take a look at why they went up. Snapchat reported 229 million active daily users. The growth was 44% in quarter one, a 20% user growth. The revenue skyrocketed just like the stock to $462.5 million. Now this is for my beginner traders. I know half of you guys use StockTwits. You guys gotta be careful because everybody's saying it's gonna go down, bear. They were completely wrong. Look at the chart, man. Skyrocketed 13%. That's why I say buy what you want, sell what you want. Don't listen to me, don't listen to others. Trade on your dime. Let's go, man. Hit a high of 15.12 after hours and still continuing to hold levels greatly. Now, if it was to go down, it's got to hold 13 because that's where it was before the earnings. And I do believe that it's going to go up to $20 next week and as the market fully rebounds. All right, guys, that was Snapchat, ticker symbol SNAP. Thanks for watching. Give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Question, comments, opinions, leave them down below. We'll answer them all. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you in the next one.